Cookie friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. Thank you so much for joining us today, and happy St. Patrick's Day to ya.
Woohoo!
Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Larissa, and this is my friend.
Hey!
And we like to bring you some fun cookie decorating videos. Many of our cookies just so happen to be Disney themed, and today is like every other day with a Disney themed cookie for St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, feeling so lucky! Wow!
Cutest cookie, let me
Whoa,
tell you.
Look at that! That is awesome!
So,
with a little bow tie.
Let's learn how to make this cookie, and we'll be right back with you and talk about the topic of St. Patrick's Day.
Yes!
Enjoy the cookie! Alright, so I have another cookie based off of a Disney pin, and you can see that I outlined in my food safe marker, I outlined all of the different sections, so I knew where to put my icing glaze very easily. So this was really good consistency glaze that I used. It wasn't too stiff, it wasn't too runny, it was quite perfect, and you can see as we go along I didn't have to use that much work with my scribe tool. So I'm outlining everything, let it set for a few minutes, and then I come back in and I fill that, and you know, you can see that scribe tool didn't really have to be used too much because that icing just set right in, and it was quite perfect. It was really nice. Very satisfying to watch, I might add. But yeah, when I did need to push the icing to the sides, I did use my scribe tool that you just saw there. There it is again. And I helped to settle that icing. Now here I'm making the lapel part. So you can see that I did the outer ends and I let that dry, and then I came back in and I did this lapel part and I let it touch the other side of the green icing. So it gave that really cool dimension without having to go, you know, on top of icing. I went right next to it and created that nice little crater in there to define the lapels. I had my dark green glaze icing and I came in and I outlined the hat, and you know, with everything, and I always say this, I never want to outline two different colors next to each other too quickly. I always want to give it some time to set because colors can bleed into one another and that can make your cookie look a little bit messy, so I always want to make sure I give it enough time. So see that yellow and that light green, I gave it at least an hour. I was comfortable with an hour to let it dry. That way I didn't feel as though that yellow was going to bleed into the green at all. So I used my scribe tool here to push all that icing to the side. Oh, and same thing up here. This yellow, I didn't want it to bleed into that green, so I did leave quite a bit of time in between both. And I always give this note about black. Black icing is a little bit difficult to deal with sometimes. If you oversaturate the icing, you run the risk of having the color bleed very easily. You run the risk of having it taste a little funny. So you don't have to oversaturate it. The black icing actually will darken overnight. And you can see I put that little shamrock over there. That was just eyeballed. And the really easy way to make the shamrocks is you just make that little heart design. Alright, and I stuck some gold sprinkles right on his cute little pinstriped shirt. And you know, again, I wanted to make sure I had enough time for this bow to set. I'm putting it on top of those other colors. I wanted to give a little bit more height to that yellow over there, so I just added that right on top. And here's his belt buckle, and this is one fantastic looking cookie. You guys, what did you think about my St. Patrick's Day cookie? Yeah, right? That's good, right? So this is Mickey. I have to do something for Disney.
Big.
Right? He's adorable, and I, like other cookies I've done in the past, I didn't have a cookie cutter for this cookie, so I had a Mickey Mouse cookie cutter, and I had a little St. Patrick's Day hat, like a top hat cookie.
You know what they're calling this now?
What?
Cutting corners.
Kind of. So really all I did was I put the Mickey Mouse cookie cutter in my rolled out dough and put the hat right on top of that and pressed that in and scooped it up with a spatula. And here,
and there you go.
I've got a Mickey.
Oh, that's the second one.
I've got a Mickey Mouse St. Patrick's Day cookie for you.
You are not lucky today. What are you dropping anyway?
Oh, what has kept dropping is Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Oh!
Showing our St. Patrick's Day love, and with a
Who's
little
your
bit
lucky
more.
charm?
Hank.
No, No, I'm so unlucky.
You're not.
Yeah.
You are my lucky charm.
There's a reason I'm blue and not green.
Oh, it's not easy being green.
Oh, I'm sorry, Kermit.
You are my lucky charm because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have this show. So thank you so much.
Oh,
Yeah.
well.
Here's some more St. Patrick's Day cookies we've done, and we have a compilation up on YouTube, so you should go check that out. But some of the cookies that we're featuring on that is our Lucky.
Ooh!
Speaking of lucky, right?
Whoa!
Lucky 4-leaf clover. A little tiny baby 4-leaf clover.
A little tiny clover.
If you can't tell, I love sparkle and everything shimmers. Then we've got
Oh, look at the cuteness!
guys, he's pretty cute. He's pretty darn cute, I must say.
He's cute.
And last but not least, we've got the Pasha Gold for you.
Oh, what is that?
What is what? It's a pot of gold. You know.
Gold?
Yeah, pot of gold. Like,
How do you find gold?
Well, the lore is that, you know, the little green men, not Martian.
What? Little green.
Cute green little kind
Avocados!
No.
Baby Yoda!
No. Hank, leprechauns.
What? I know of elves.
Well, kinda, sorta.
Yeah.
Well,
What's the difference? Do they make toys?
no, elves make toys. Trolls live under bridges.
And leprechauns make cereal.
No.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's magically delicious.
Speaking of cereal, do you all like Lucky Charms?
Oh, yeah.
I don't really know if I
Can you do it?
too
Can you do
much.
it? Can you name them?
Horse shoes? No. Hearts.
Yeah.
Hearts, stars, and hearts, stars, and horseshoes.
Clovers and
Oh,
blue
wait,
moons.
okay.
Oh.
Hearts, stars, and horseshoes, clovers, and blue moons, pots of golden rainbows, and me red balloons.
Yay!
All right, I did it.
Now they have unicorns.
They make unicorns for Lucky Charms?
Yeah, they used to.
Interesting. You know, fun fact about 4-leaf clovers and all this lucky stuff. When I was little, I actually found a 4-leaf clover in my backyard, and I was so excited, and my mom laminated it for me and put my lucky 4-leaf clover in the date of 1996, and I carry it in my wallet with me all the time.
Very cool.
Don't know why I just told you all that, but that's a fun little thing I have.
So what are we gonna do?
Okay, so for St. Patty's Day, we like to invite our friends and family over, and we cook some
Corned beef.
corned beef and cabbage,
Yeah.
which I understand is not a traditional dish in
No.
Ireland. It's an American thing. We also make some crisp sandwiches,
What?
which are my favorite. If
What?
you don't know what they are,
Sandwiches?
guys, it's literally white bread, butter, and crisps, which are potato chips.
That is all carbs.
And it
A
is
carb sandwich.
so delicious. Just try it. Guys, I'm telling you, white bread, butter, potato chips, smush it down. Amazing. Amazing. So something else that we make for St. Patrick's Day, which is by no means a traditional Irish dish, but in America, someone has created it, and it's Irish nachos, and it's waffle fries,
Yeah.
shredded corned beef,
Okay.
ranch dressing,
Oh.
and cheese. And you just pop that in the oven, and it is so good. Also made shepherd's pie.
Yeah, that soup, the
Really
potato
nice,
soup.
and potato leek soup.
Oh, yeah, it's so good. Can we talk about drinking?
Drinking root beer.
Root beer.
Root beer.
Yes.
Since we made a Disney cookie, I'm not really sure if Disney does anything big for St. Patrick's Day. If you Google Disney St. Patrick's Day, you can actually find some really cute pictures of Mickey and Minnie in some St. Patrick's Day outfits. But guys, for those of you who go to Disney around St. Patrick's Day time, anything happening? Please tell me. I would like to know. The only thing I do
What's the name
know,
of the restaurant?
Raglan Road in
Yes.
Disney Springs. They definitely do that week-long celebration for St. Patrick's Day with all the appropriate foods and drinks and traditional Irish songs and like step dancing and all that.
Oh, step dancing is awesome.
Yeah, it really is awesome. I think that's such a beautiful like art form.
That
Step
is so
dancing.
cool.
That is something I could never do.
They are so talented.
Well-
Look, we got our party stuff on. People are waiting upstairs. What are we doing?
I got some crisp sandwiches
Down
to
here in
eat.
the basement.
Well, guys, thank you so much.
Hold on!
Thank
We're
you.
coming!
Thank you so much for being here with us today. If you celebrate St. Patrick's Day, whether you are Irish or not, let me know what you do. If you do anything fun or different, if you make those crisp sandwiches, and let me know what you thought about this cookie. And we also have a compilation video up, which I believe I mentioned this before, of our other fun St. Patrick's Day cookies
Yes!
that we show you how to make. So I hope you enjoy that.
And kiss me! I'm Irish.
You're not Irish, Hank.
Oh, like a pinch me thing?
Pinch you? I can pinch you.
Not cool!
Thank you so much for joining us today. Please be sure to like and subscribe and hit the
Ding!
for notifications and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And guys, we will see you next time, cookie friends.
Next time! Yeah, let's get out of here! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Waffle fries, corned beef. What is it? Waffle fries,
I don't
corned
know.
beef.
Must not be that good. Cut!
It's like, I don't want to say mustard, but it's not mustard.
Nobody knows.
It's waffle fries, corned beef,
Cheese.
cheese, but there's something else.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Listen to music.
What? Well, whatever.
Ranch.
Oh, ranch. Yes, thank you. That's what it is.
Okay, why don't we take two?
Okay. Do you have a favorite Irish song?
Shipping up to Boston.
Why don't you sing it?
You can't sing it.
Why?
It's like iconic.
So you can't sing
And
it?
they like scream it.
Oh.
I'm not gonna scream it.